Hello all, in this video we are going to see about image annotations. Here we are going to see how to draw a line or a circle or a rectangle or how to add a text inside the image, which will be more useful when you represent the results for a presentation or in order when you want to show a demo of your application. Right? So here as usual we are going to import set of the libraries and the same download and unzip function. I'm going to have a zip file where we are having only one image, that is the Apollo launch image. Right, so here we are going to read the image after downloading and extracting. We are having only one image, that is Apollo 11 launch JPEG, and I am reading it in the color format, and I am storing in a variable img. So in order to have the RGB, the default value will be BGR, and we are reversing to make it as RGB, and then we are displaying the original image. I am making a copy of the image and storing in an image named image line. So here we are going to draw a line. cv2.line function is used to draw a line in the image. Where we are going to draw the image, draw the line means in the image line variable, right? So image.copy of will copy this original image in this variable. In this variable alone, we are going to draw the line. So the image to be chosen, and then the line starts from 200, 100 and ends at 400, 100. So 200, 100 and 400, 100. The starting point of the line and ending point of the line are given as a coordinate, x and y coordinates, and the line, the color line, right? So it will be in the format of BGR. So if I give 0, 0, 255, then it will be in red color. So let us try this. See the change. So if I give some 255 means, so R, G, combination of red and green provides some yellow color, and the thickness of the line is 10. So if you want to increase or decrease the thickness, you can give. So line type equal to cv2.line AA, which means in order to have the smoothness, in order to add smoothness in the line, if you omit this also, there won't be much problem. It will be zigzag. If the resolution of the image is very low, then the line will be of very zigzagged pattern. In order to have the smoothness, it depends on the images, we can have the line type. And after that, we are just printing the image using IMShow. Next, we are going to draw a circle. Similarly, I am going to take a copy of the original image in a variable image circle. I am going to draw a circle in this copied image only. So cv2.circular function is used, and where you want to draw the circle, the image name has been given, and this is the center point. For line, we are having two coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. For drawing a circle, we want to have a center point under the radius. This is the center point, 900, 500. Right? This is the center point. By keeping 900, 500 as a center, we are going to draw a circle of radius 100. Okay? So this is the center point, and this is the radius, and again this is the color of the circle. So R, G, B in reversed format. So the third parameter is red, 255. And the thickness of the circle is similar to the line. If we increase the thickness, the outer line will be dark, right? Then again line type equal to cv2.line underscore AA, and we are just displaying the image. And drawing a rectangle, we have to give the image. Again, I'm taking a copy of the image in a variable image rectangle. Rectangular function is used. Image rectangle is the image where we want to draw a rectangle, and 500, 100 and 700, 600. These two values are the top left vertex and the bottom right vertex, right? So the top left vertex is 500, 100. So 500, 100, and bottom right is 700, 600. X is 700, Y is 600. So you have given the top left and bottom right. Again the color of the rectangle, the thickness line of the rectangle, and the line type, and we are printing. Okay. And one thing we want to note here is if we give the negative value, the output will be the filled one. So here I am going to change in thickness as -5. You could see the difference. So if you give the positive value, it will be of unfilled rectangle. If you give the negative value, it will be filled rectangle. And adding a text, the function to be used is put text, and the image where you want to write a text, that is the image text, and the text to be displayed is completed. Okay, so you could see the completed, and 200,700, which indicates the bottom left corner of the text. Okay, 200,700. So if I give 200,400, the text will be appear coordinate. And I'm going to give the font style. Many font styles are available. I've chosen any one of the style from that. And next one is the font size. So you can increase or decrease. You could see the size is very less. Okay, so you can give the font size and the color of the font. And here again the thickness, the default value is 1. You can represent some other values also. In line underscore A, which is the default value, we can have a smooth line here, and